Hello everybody, Sheila back again. I'm going to show you a vehicle that I showed you earlier in the year, but this is a new one that's just came in again. This is our Burstner Lyseo 744, brand new 2021 edition. The reason I'm doing it again is because it's got a new upholstery and I want to provide a wee bit more info. So this is actually a heavy chassis. It's 4,250 kg in weight, and I'll just add that in text for you there as well. And it is 7.49 meters in length. So let's go take a look at it here. So first things first, your factory fitted 16-inch alloy wheels down there. This is your outside barbecue point here, and you have your outside TV point here. Of course, that means you have your full length awning and a big awning light there as well. Storage just down here, and in there is your removable carpets and your little assets for making up your bed as well. You will see just here there is a little plug-in point as well, and on the other side here there's just a little lamp for if you're trying to get something in the middle of the night as well. Round to the back here you have your reverse camera, and I don't know if you heard me before, but that is your brake light up there in that Burstner logo, and I just think that is such a quirky little feature. Let's go have a look inside. So this is a 5-berth, 5-belt, and your belt is just here. This is a leatherette, and I'm going to add the text because I might be saying it wrong, but this is Vario seat. Here's the real spelling of it. And the furniture is Santina as well. Come on and I'll show you the dash. Now this is a manual, this one. Of course you have your multifunctioning setup system here, your Bluetooth connectivity. This also has your reverse camera built into it here, and it's a DAB radio, the whole shebang. Down here you have your cab aircon as well, along with your USB ports and your 12-volt plug-in there. As I said, it is a manual, and of course you have your speed limiter and cruise control, and this is a multifunctioning steering wheel as well. So just leaving the living area here, you do have your standard factory fitted TV bracket here, along with different storage units just in there. This does come with Truma heating, and this is your lovely control panel as well. Above me is your first and second berth, and now as I mentioned, this is a 5-berth, and that is your 5-berth below in the living area. But if you want to see that, please let me know. I've no problem showing you. Now time for your bed above. And you can choose where to have that lie. There is ladder here and here for you to hook on to climb up into that bed. But as you see, it is dead easy to manoeuvre. Now, moving into your kitchen, you do have this additional counter space to access your sink. Of course, this comes with a 3-gas hob, as well as your combined oven and grill down below. And of course you have your full length fridge with the freezer compartment just above as well there. Lastly, one more thing I want to show you. This is one of my favourite features, and if you've watched a couple of the videos, you're going to know what I'm going to mention. It is these power rails above. Burstner has this amazing feature of a power rail, so it means you can turn this light off, unclick it, and put it wherever else you want, on here or anywhere else in the motorhome, and the second it's in place, on it goes. You can go on to Amazon and different places and buy different adapters, different lights, and different ones for charging your phone, like USB ports and things like that. I just think it's really quirky. But time for the back lounge. Go on and have a look at that. How lovely is that? Isn't that great? Oh, so cozy. Another quirky feature about this is coffee table, not a problem. It's just secured right in here. And out it comes. And whenever you want to tuck it away, you just click it back in, just the way that I did. Lovely. Over here you have more additional space here. It's really nice, homely, warm colours, isn't it? And of course it comes with another TV bracket in the back. So you can have this as two separate living areas really. If you just make your way back, there is another door here as well. So you can completely separate the two areas from each other. Just like so. And then of course another electric drop down bed above just here. Now that comes the whole way down, and I'll show you that in a wee second. If you want to see how this bottom bed is made up, please let me know. That is no problem, as I've mentioned. But yes, two electric drop down beds in this vehicle. Now, as you can see, there is a ton of storage in this motorhome, but of course you have your full length wardrobe. Again, another great feature, they've added a nice little lamp that turns off and on when the door closes. And you can take that out, so if you want to go to the toilet in the middle of the night and not wake anybody, no problem. And it just slots back into place, back into its home. Lovely. Let's go take a look at the bathroom. So you do have your separate shower in there. And again, tons of storage. So that's really it, folks. I have missed things. You know, there's Remus blinds in the cab, there's electric mirrors, there's electric everything. If you'd like to know more, please visit the link. I will attach that below. And if you'd like to know about the bed layouts, please drop me a message and I'll send you over a video. That's not a problem. To get in touch with me, you can send me an email, marketing@thompsonleisure.com. You can give me a call on 028 92 999. Option 6 for me. Option 1 for the boys. Or you can contact me on our social channels. I'll pick up all the messages. That's Thompson Leisure, just short and sweet. And I'll see you in the next video. See ya.